This is your air cooler machine Symphony, a 30-liter water tank capacity, 30-liter water tank, and it is a high cool eye model Symphony. Here is a problem of water pump. This is a water pump. We will open this water pump to find out the problem. So stay with me. It was set on tank, inside the tank. I will open this by here and here, like this, another side. It is called Dura Pump technology. Inside you can look impeller and pump inside. Inside a lock, here, lock, inside lock. There is a motor base. Motor shaft base. This is it will have a oil seal. Impeller. This motor run, but no water up, no water circulation. That's why open. It is model is you can check here. 25 watt. HBD22 2SP3 Symphony. If we change, we can easily purchase from local. If not, okay. It is actually looking at a problem like this. Okay, it is problem. We will super glue. We got damage of this impeller. Some dust or calcium carbonate deposited on this side. We have to remove this. This is another problem of impeller is out from magnet. It is permanent magnet, and when current goes to motor, then it will be temporary magnet. We will repair this. We will try to repair, but I am not confirmed. Inside have some dust. We'll clean. sometimes we need to oil, but it is now inside clear. No problem. Inside fully clear. No need to oil. No need to giving oil. Need to check fully oil's o-ring or oil water seal. Now this shaped cover is okay, and this need to just just yes, okay. Now we will fit here by screw.